Cat. An idea. Look at those cuties. He thinks he can build a little cubby. He doesn't think. He knows he can build a little cubby. I don't know. Is that big enough though?
What?
Like 1, 2, you'd separate them. I almost wonder if you would do 4 across and do 12. You know, you gotta look for the big patina. They have a whole bunch of them. What are they? $2 a piece?
Mm-hmm.
2 a piece. They're so cute.
I'm trying to get it so the face is kind of the same. Well, Yvonne and I, when we were at an antique mall, we had found 12 of these. I've got one over on the other side. And my idea is to make a cubby similar to like this out of those. And what am I going to use? I'm going to use some old pallet wood. So as you can see, that is pretty much the right size. It just needs to be cut to length, and I need to make the cubby box that it fits in. So I've got this extra wood. I'm going to start cutting it down. So I think the top needs a little more than just this. So what I'm gonna do is put some flathead screws. I've already countersunk a hole. And what that's also gonna do is it's gonna tighten everything up. Of course, I want it to look old, so I'm using flathead screws, which really are not that fun. So I'm gonna put 4, 1 in all 4 corners. And well, you can see why I need to do it too, because this side is really loose.
I am honored to get to paint Chris's made piece. He spotted those little drawers in the antique mall, and he was like, I could create with these, and I was so super excited for him. He took all that time to plane down that pallet wood, put wood on the back. Now it's my turn to go ahead and paint it for you all. So I'm going to seal the wood in with shellac first so that it doesn't just absorb in, and then we will see what character when I get it painted. Okay, so to do the inside, because you know that's not so much fun, we are going to be doing the Green Canyon. And even though I could spray the whole thing, I really would like to give it to some age. So I do love playing a mixologist, just mixing colors together. So I'm going to do 2 pantry door. This is a tablespoon, 1 olive. one in a pickle, and then one, try to get one basil. And then mix it all up and see what we got. Huh. I actually think a little bit of in a pickle, like a half a scoop, and a half a scoop of the olive. That's close, right? That's a close scoop. And I think we're just gonna work from there and see what we got. What did I do? 5? Sure, I don't know. I'll just mix 3 waters and see where I need to go from there. There. It's pretty forgiving. See? I'll probably do some kind of a stain or something on the back here, but for right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and tape that area off. Well, I think I matched up the color pretty good. You're not necessarily going to see the inside anyway, but we wanted it to all match. The palette wood, it wouldn't stain pretty, you know, to leave it raw wood. So we are going to go ahead and get it sanded so it's a little bit smoother. Some beautiful crackling and crazing on there on some of the spots, but we want to make it look like this has been used out in the barn, workshop, garage, like it is an old piece. So when you spray it and you get the paint on it, it gives you that raised feeling. It raises the green of the wood. So unfortunately, somehow I got to get my hand in here and sand it a little bit so it is smooth. I know a drawer goes in there, but just for the wax, I'm going to go ahead and start off with Jolie's black wax. I love what it does to this color, and it's always scary when you first put it on. You're like, it's turning it black. And then the raw wood in the back, I'm just going to do the same concoction that I'm doing on the green paint. I'm hoping that it's going to stain the raw wood when I sanded it that was showing through. But then I'm going to go in with Fusion's aging wax as like I'm going to distribute and blend in the black. And then all that imperfect of it being painted where it drips, it runs, it chips and cracks. That wax gets in there and does amazing things. Oh, look at that. Like, yeah, that's nice, but oh, that's real nice. Oh my goodness. Okay, not the funnest part of doing something that has cubbies is gingerly trying to go in there so you're not smacking your knuckles. Because my hand just fits. But you want the whole patina to be all over the piece. So it's just how it goes. Long-handled brush. Blade and zipple, that's all you can do for the back. Raw wood and staining wax. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Black on there first, and the aging wax. And that'll just kind of distribute it. The Jolie's wax is thick, but it's an amazing black wax. That'll give it, I've been around here a while kind of look, and seal it all in. When he was screwing this one in and split the wood, you know, pallet wood is dry, and he's like, do you want me to change that? To me, that's character. It's not preventing anybody from using it. Just leave it as is. Yes, you can always critique everything to death and take the fun of what you're doing out of the project. So I'm like, leave it. It's character. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Chris getting to create. He doesn't get to do that a lot since he still works a full-time job. But when he saw those little industrial drawers, I'm glad he picked up as many as he did, because when I went back to get more, they were already gone. We probably should have got the whole lot. But that is so super cute. Oh my gosh. And remember, like, you could take the drawer out, use it for something else, use a little, like, put your little, I mean, you don't, because I painted the inside, you could actually use it for more. Like, you could take this out, use it for some yummies, make a little vignette. You know, that's the big thing when you think, oh, don't worry about the inside. But I don't know, I don't put little treasures in there, little butter patch creamers. And then so it's a multiple use drawer cubby, which is amazing. Which is like you have to get them in the right. You have to get them in the right order, though. Yes. Customized. It is customized, y'all. So appreciate all the support and love that you show our channel. We love each and every one of you. Thank you for watching today's video, and we will see you next time. And maybe Chris is going to be creating something else. You never know. Bye.